Okay, so it was only 4 questions, right, guys? So 4 preguntitas. All right, so let's get started. Right. So Cynthia opened a savings account with $1,250. The account pays 4% interest annually, 4% al año. No transactions are made. How much will Cynthia have in her savings account in 4 months? ¿Cuánto dinero va a tener ella en 4 meses? All right, so let's do that. So I, PRT. So we want to know how much she's going to have in 4 months. Well, let's find how much she made. ¿Cuánto ganó ella en 4 meses? The principal, the money she depositó is 1,250. The rate is 4%. So 4%, lo vamos a cambiar. We're going to change. This goes away. There's a decimal here. Hay un decimal. We're moving 2, 1, 2 a la izquierda. There's going to be a 0 here. So that is going to be 0.04. And time, tiempo, 4 months. So cuando es meses, lo ponemos sobre 12. So we put it over 12. So 4 over 12. If you want to simplify that to 1/3, you're more than welcome to do that. Now in your calculator, let's multiply 1,250 times 0.04 times 4 over 12. Okay, and you're going to get 16.666. So the interest in your calculator is going to be 16.666666 forever and ever. Well, we're going to round that to the nearest hundredth. And we're going to be 16.67. So in 4 meses, in 4 months, how much money gana ella? $16.60, 67 cents. Pero that's not the question. The question is how much money va a estar dentro de la cuenta? How much money will she have in her account? So it's going to be in her account, en la cuenta, she's going to have 1,250 plus the interest, 16.67 plus, then you're going to get 1,000. So in her bank account, va a tener 1,266.67. And that's your final answer. Okay. 2, find the simple interest of 3,200 invested at 7% for 2 years. Ooh. ¿Cuánto ganas de interest? Con 3,200, 7%, 2 años. Okay, that's not that bad. Interest is lo que queremos, what we want. The principal is 3,200. Money deposit. The rate is 7%. So 7% cambiamos. So it's going to become, go that, se bota, el punto, where's the decimal? Here. Muévelo, 1, 2. Here's the new. Espacio vacío, put a 0, put a 0. So 7%, 7% is 0.07. And time, so this is, sorry, oops. Rate. And then the time, how much time? 2 years. So let's multiply that. 3,200 times 0.07 times 2 equals $448. So in 2 years, ¿cuánto ganas usted? $448. Let's see if I can move this. No, yes, no. Shoot. Hang on. Why is this not working? Come on. So let me go back here. Alright, guys. Okay, here. Alright, so question 3. Find the simple interest. Okay, so same thing. ¿Cuánto ganaste? In 3 months, in 3 meses, if you deposit 500 with a 4% interest rate. So I equals PRT. Interest rate es lo que queremos. Principal, how much do we deposit? We deposit 500. What was the interest rate? 4%, pero how do we write 4%? 4%, it's going to change, lo vamos a cambiar. Here's a decimal, we move it 1, 2. So quita el 9 punto. It's going to be 0.04%. 0.04. How much time? Time is 3 meses. So 3 months es 3 meses. ¿De cuánto? De un año. Or 3 over 12. Un año tiene 12 meses. 1 year has 12 months, so that's why we write it. 3 out of 12. Now let's just multiply. Times 3 over 12 equals $5. $5. So if you go to a bank, you deposit $500, you leave it for 3 months, for 3 meses, you make $5. Ganas $5. Like I said, nobody's gonna give you $5 for free, right? So might be something to consider. ¿Cuánto tiempo le toca para ganar $127.50 si depositas $340 with an interest rate de 6.25? How much time does it take to earn to make $127.5 if you deposit $340 and the interest rate is 6.25? So how long do you leave this money here in the bank? 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years? So let's find that out. So the interest here is 127. Careful. The principal, how much did you deposit in the beginning? ¿Cuánto depositaste en principio? 340. What was the interest rate? The interest rate was 6.25%. So we're going to change this. I'm going to move it once. I'm going to move it twice. And I'm going to put a 0 and a 0. So 6.25 se transforma en 0.0625. And the time, t, es lo que no sabemos. So eso se queda. So number 1, let's multiply. 340 times 0.0625. 340 times 0.0625. That's going to give us 21.25 t. Divide by 21.25. Divide by 21.25. T equals el tiempo. So divide 127.5 divided by 21.25. Te sale 6. So how much time? ¿Cuánto tiempo tenemos que dejar el dinero en el banco? How many years? 6 years. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, come on. Okay. Not working.